Today we're going to take a quick look at a super handy tool if you're concerned with the thickness of paint, primer, and or filler when purchasing a car. The Vdiagtool VC300 Digital Paint Thickness Gauge or Coating Thickness Gauge. It features an HD screen, senses iron or aluminum, voice broadcast, self-calibration, and power saving as it shuts off automatically. The tool is easy to use, and unlike a magnet, it won't scratch the paint. Just lightly press it up against the vehicle and take a reading. For reference, 1 mil equals a thousandth of an inch, or 100 mils equals 1/10 of an inch. 4 to 5 mils equals a human hair or a sheet of paper. This panel was repaired before, and there is filler through here. There's some up here, and I don't think there's any over here. So let's see what we can find.
2.7 mil.
So that's thicker than OEM paint, so the panel was painted before. Let's try the middle here where there's some filler.
7.2 mil.
So obviously there's some filler right there. 100 thousandths is a tenth of an inch. This would be about half of a tenth of an inch of filler. Here's an up-close shot of the tool working, and you have to see a little symbol right here that says it's measuring. Right there, it's measuring.
9.9 mil.
The tool comes with a calibration kit, a piece of aluminum and steel, and 6 different thicknesses that you can use to calibrate the tool. So let's take a look at how you do that. On the tool, we'll select calibration, say OK, and then base calibration, OK. Set it on the base, and it says put down the 53 sheet, and we'll set that on there. When the arrow points up, you can take it off and put the next one on. It says 103. We'll put that thickness down. It says 260. We'll pick that one. Put that down. It says 499. We'll pick the next one. Put that down. It says 990. We'll choose that one. Put that down. And we have one more, the 1500. Pick that one. And it'll say calibration complete when it's done. And there you go. It's calibrated. For zero calibration, we'll go down, say OK, set it on the base. And it's done. Finally, if you set the measuring mode to single instead of continuous, it takes one measurement instead of multiple, and the voice matches the number on the screen every time.
Mil. 4.92 mil. 5.2 mil. 5.2 mil.
The VC300 is packaged nicely with instructions, a USB charging cord, and a calibration kit. I hope you enjoyed this video on a handy tool that can help you find the right car or truck. The Vdiagtool VC300 Coating Thickness Gauge. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.